low. Habang hinihintay po namin yung mga iba pa, kuumustahin po muna namin kayo.
Yes. Yeah.
Kamusta nga naman, Atiger?
Perfect. Okay, not your partner.
Dito naman sa section A, ate, kumusta ka naman? Ano po yung napipil nyo ngayong seminar natin?
Yes.
Just remember that success is not all about personal achievement. It is about how we use our knowledge and abilities to inspire.
Second resource speaker, let us call on Miss Jenny J. D. Guzman. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests and fellow lifelong learners. Today, we have the distinct honor of being joined by a man whose life story is a masterclass in public service, academic excellence, and community empowerment. To say he is a multi-hyphenate would be an understatement. He is a scholar of the highest order, holding not one, but 2 doctoral degrees, a Doctor of Public Administration in Local Governance, and a Doctor of Philosophy in Educational Management. His academic journey spans across nursing, English, teaching, and public administration, proving that his thirst for knowledge knows no bounds. In the professional world, he has worn many hats, from a marketing director and college instructor to a business development consultant and a city government administrative aide. As a founder of numerous organizations like Siglot and Gay Ganda, and a long-standing barangay official and SK leader, he has dedicated decades to empowering the youth, the LGBTQIA+ community, and the people of San Fernando, La Union. Currently serving as a student affairs officer and marketing director at Sikusat Colleges, and a candidate for councilor, he continues to bridge the gap between education and effective governance. Please join me in giving a warm, resounding welcome to our speaker, a true leader, educator, and advocate. Please welcome Dr. Gaudencio Doc Yari Andaya.